Oh, sige. Buwan. Is water namis water front rin ako sa kuan ako sa tawagan ni graduate sa kong anak. Di pwede din ba? Ay, manas. Sunda ng tao. Saan lapitan?
University of Cebu and Manila.
Asa to gayong GR na asa dapit lang ko.
Amo na ni.
Diri nga say.
Oh.
Learning and exploration.
The University of Cebu, Lapu-Lapu in Mandaue, is an educational institution that provides its students with supportive learning environment and allows for continuous improvement.
We pride ourselves on being the local champions and top notchers. Our students have consistently excelled in their chosen fields in home economics, industrial arts, and information communication technology. Our tech-zone maritime program prepares aspiring seafarers for a rewarding career at sea. In our college programs, we offer a diverse array of disciplines designed to meet the demands of modern workforce, from education and business administration to engineering criminology.
In Mandaue campus. And now, please join me in welcoming the candidates for graduation and recognition representing the Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation and Bachelor of Science in Marine Engineering as they enter the venue to partake in the graduation and recognition ceremonies. Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation, Ronelio Pisor. Bachelor of Science in Marine Engineering, Chairperson, Engineer Marcos Oyao, OICD Captain Ronelio Pisor. Yes. Thank you. Thank you very much, Captain Spent, for your inspiring words and powerful message. Your insights have honored our graduates and reminded us the value of leadership, resilience, and global cooperation in today's maritime world. At this point, Vice Chancellor for Academic Affairs, Dr. Yolanda C. Saison, Vice Chancellor for Business Development, in grateful appreciation for sharing his valuable time, expertise, Mania, Dr. Annalisa Bison, Ms. Daryl F.
638 candidates for recognition of Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation. The 276 candidates for recognition of Bachelor of Science in Marine Engineering. These candidates who have satisfactorily fulfilled the requirements of the Commission on Higher Education, the Maritime Industry Authority of the Republic of the Philippines, are hereby certified by Attorney Augusto W. Go, Chairman of the University of Cebu, represented by Dr. Yolanda C. Saison, the Vice Chancellor for Academic Affairs, as worthy recipients of the respective degrees and certificates. We therefore respectfully request that they be accepted and admitted to the degrees and certificates they have merited.
By the University of Cebu, the Commission on Higher Education, and the Maritime Industry Authority of the Republic of the Philippines. I accept the candidates presented for academic degrees and certificates with all the rights and privileges pertaining thereto.
Thank you, Dr. Annalisa B. Dr. Yolanda C. Saison, Vice Chancellor for Academic Affairs, Dean Ophelia G. Mania, Vice Chancellor for Business Development and Innovation,
Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation, Borinaga Natalie Erica G., OSM College, summa cum laude. May we request OSM College representatives to please join our honorees. Kanyada Sanel L., summa cum laude.
Dulce John Lawrence N.
Sandilian Chris,
Dulce John Lawrence N.
Sandilian Chris,
Gamusa Joseph Walden C.
Coyos Jandel Y,
Gascon Mary Shara T.
Ridelius Christian Dave P,
Siya nga bangko, Tio.
Asa man si Are?
Gaudigos Josefa Gemma
Ah, si
A.
Are, si
La
Are.
Forza Miguel,
Ito? Oo.
Donovan Harry Ivan V.
Ay, naa.
Noval Clyde S,
Jorfo
Sorry.
Earl Justin Thomas
Dahil
E.
Handayan Dean Angel B.
Hepega Simon
To a student while caring for younger siblings. How do you compare someone who battled financial hardships to someone who battled anxiety, self-doubt, or loss? How do you compare different storms and decide which one was harder to see? To my alma mater, University of Cebu, Lapu-Lapu, becoming one may be easy, but being one is not. Please take it. And many became valedictorians of survival, like the entire batch Borealis. Could you all please stand, batch Borealis? Ladies and gentlemen, these are the faces of the strongest batch ever existed. These are the cadets who had to catch jeepney early in the morning. Ladies and gentlemen, please give them a big round of applause. The world may never know your full story, but you do. You are seen, and your story matters. Please take this.
Batch 2026, congratulations. All minds.
Borinaga for those words of appreciation. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give Kaden Borinaga another big round of applause. The Pledge of Loyalty. Kaden Alvina T. Danielle, Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation, summa cum laude, and the batch president will now lead the graduates in their Pledge of Loyalty.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. With sober sense of responsibility, I pledge myself to hold my diploma as a sacred trust, an emblem of my obligation to serve. I hold it with untarnished honor. In generous loyalty to my alma mater, and with fidelity to my country, my fellow men, and my God.
Thank you, Kaden Danielle. At this point, Ms. Charisse Salcedo, UCLM alumna, will now induct the graduates into the University of Cebu, Lapu-Lapu and Mandaue Alumni Association.
Please state your name. Having been graduated from the College of State your College as of June 2026, do hereby solemnly swear to abide by the rules and regulations of the University of Cebu, Lapu-Lapu and Mandaue Alumni Association, to do my duty faithfully, to be ever loyal to my alma mater, to do service to my country, and my fellow man, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God.
Thank you, Ms. Salcedo. Everyone, please open your hearts and lend your ears as we witness the graduates perform their batch song. A song that speaks of lifelong friendships, the courage to soar with purpose, and the brave acceptance of the reality of change. Wherever the wind will take them, they will remain connected by the depth of their shared memories. Ladies and gentlemen, the Batch Borealis with their batch song representing their dreams and flight, Saranggola.
Sana tayo
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the batch Borealis. Once again, let's give them a round of applause.
Yay! Worth listening, bro. So man ni-graduate to ron sa tanan sa UCLM batch 26.
May I request all
Asan? Asan? Kamay?
Di babay-babay.
and turn on the main line.
Kini wala si Truha kini niya.
Basta ikat 12 na ang nagkaato. Lipat naman gusto. Sana diring linya. Kaning babae ang tumoy ba? Kana dia linya hari po.
Kini babae may tumoy. Sige, tayo.
Ito ay tumoy.
May I request the front light, please? Good. Thank you. May I request the cadets to please go back to your assigned seat. And also with our guests and executives. Thank you.
Uli na ni.
Baka ay. Inay lasa na kanang na mag-itsa-itsa na silang kalo.
To please stand and join the remain standing for the recessional. As the callers. University Maze. University officials and guests make their exit. Once again, may I invite everyone, and most especially the graduates, to give a big round of applause. The commencements and recognition ceremonies of the maritime programs of the University of Cebu, Lapu-Lapu, and Mandaue have now finally come to a close. To our esteemed parents, benefactors, and friends of our graduates, thank you, for we are truly honored for having entrusted to UC the university education of these young people, and for gracing these rites with your warm and valuable presence. To all of you, graduates of June 2026, live the core values of the University of Cebu. Be innovative to be the best. Have the commitment to be of service to others. Align yourselves with what is right, true, and just. Respect others, and excel in whatever you do. In short, I care. Finally, graduates, do something remarkable for yourselves, for your families, for your communities, and most especially for your country. Thank you, graduates. God bless, and congratulations!
Kailan na rin ito? Ngayon ka? Naman din rin. Ano rin siya rin. So, nakuha na kita ng graduation.
Ato na lang po malos ko.
Live yun. Oh. CR. Nasa Kaslon siguro. Nice. Maraming tao muli na congratulations everyone. Okay, congratulations JR. Nakagraduate ako anak sa Marines Engineer. Marine Engineer. Kasama ko message ko. Natin mag-graduation dito sa there is a waterfront. Okay, thank you. Congratulations. You know.